Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm super excited to talk to you about something I've absolutely fallen in love with. Dyson's latest surprise, the Dyson Ontk headset. Now, before we dive into the details, let's address the elephant in the room. Why on earth is Dyson making headphones? I mean, aren't they all about vacuum cleaners and hair dryers? But hold up, there's way more to Dyson than meets the eye. Let me take you back a few years when I got invited to Dyson's HQ in London. I was blown away by what I saw. Sir James Dyson, the man behind it all, is like the Einstein of innovation. They're not just about making vacuums, they're cooking up some seriously cool projects, like an electric car that almost saw the light of day but got shelved last minute. So yeah, Dyson's got the chops to jump into the tech world with some serious style. Alright, let's get back to these headphones. Why are we so hyped about them? Well, headphones have pretty much become a staple in our lives. They let us escape the chaos around us, zone out, and enjoy some peace while staying connected. But what makes the Dyson Ontk stand out? Let's break it down. First things first, sound quality. That's got to be top notch, right? Dyson didn't cut any corners here. We're talking 40mm 16 ohm neodymium drivers that pump out sound from as low as 6 Hz all the way up to 21,000 Hz. Translation, you get those deep thumping bass lines and crystal clear highs. Plus, the ear cups are angled just right to direct the sound straight to your ears, and they're made from materials that feel like butter against your skin. Now, comfort is key too. Whether you're at the gym, on a commute, or just chilling at home, you want a headset that doesn't make you feel like you're wearing a helmet. Dyson nailed it with this one. The materials are soft and the design is super ergonomic, so you can wear them all day without getting tired. Next up, let's talk tech. The Ontk comes with some pretty slick features like active noise canceling that really takes it up a notch. The tech inside is so advanced that it processes sound 384,000 times per second to block out unwanted noise up to 40 decibels. And the best part? It's all wrapped up in a sleek design that looks as good as it sounds. Oh, and battery life. Can't forget that. You don't want your headphones dying on you in the middle of a jam session. Dyson's thought of that too, with a solid battery that keeps you going. And when you do need to charge, it's quick and painless with the included Type-C cable. One more thing before we wrap up, let's talk about the little details that make a big difference. The controls on these bad boys are super intuitive. There's this cool little joystick on the side that you can use to play, pause, skip tracks, adjust the volume, and even take calls. Trust me, after a couple of times using it, it becomes second nature. So there you have it, folks. Dyson's Ontk headset isn't just another pair of headphones. It's a statement piece that combines top-tier tech with the comfort and style you didn't even know you needed. If you're curious to try them out, you can head over to Dyson's website. I'll drop a link in the description below. And hey, this isn't sponsored, just me sharing my honest thoughts with you. Thanks for being around. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Dyson Ontk and whether you think Dyson has what it takes to conquer the audio world. Until next time, take care and happy listening.